Now, let's review some of the words and phrases that were used and learn their meanings. By following along, you can also practice the proper pronunciation of 10 key words and phrases which you can use in almost any office setting. You may pause the video and repeat after me as many times as you think is necessary until you feel confident about your pronunciation. Keywords and phrases. Story. A temporary social media post that is automatically deleted by the platform, usually after 24 hours. Rant. To speak or shout at length in anger. Post. A piece of writing, image, or other item of content published online, typically on a blog or social media website or application. Ephemeral. Temporary. Screen recording. Real-time recording of a computer or phone screen that captures everything that is displayed on the screen and creates a video file out of it. Impressions. The total number of times social media browsers have shown a post or story content. Hashtag. A word or phrase preceded by a hash sign, used on social media websites and applications to identify digital content on a specific topic. Social network. A collection of social interactions and personal relationships. Background check. A check of what a person has done in the past, usually as part of the process of deciding whether or not to employ them. Profile. A description of an individual's social characteristics that identify them on social media sites.